property maintenance and garden services, Gold Coast. Unaffected by drought or COVID, this well-established mobile business can be run from a home-based office with no premises required. Operated by the same owner since 1999, the business is a lawn mowing, gardening, cleaning and pool cleaning franchise. The largest franchise area on the Gold Coast of any of its competitors, there is enormous potential to expand the business. The business has a strong client base of regulars, including body corporates, real estate agents, and private work. The franchisor offers ongoing support, and the business comes with a ute, sign-written trailer, ride-on mower, and much more. The franchisor also organises all advertising, and the owner will stay on full-time for 2 weeks unpaid to ensure a smooth transition. Be your own boss and work outside with flexible hours in one of Queensland's most beautiful locations.